So now let's see how we can work around with Boolean modifier inside of Blender. So here you can see that I have a shape. Let me just go around and delete everything out right here so that we can start fresh. So I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard, and then I'm going to go around into mesh. And over here, I'm going to take a UV sphere. I'm going to press Shift A again, and over here in mesh, let's go around and take a cylinder. So here we have two objects. So I'm just going to go around, keep it side by side, just like that. So let's say I want to apply Boolean onto this cylindrical object right here. So I'm going to select the cylinder just like this. And to add a modifier onto it, I need to go around over here into modifier right here. So let's go to the modifier properties. And then over here, I'm going to click on add modifier, and then I'm going to apply Boolean onto this. So once I do that, you can see that there are three options here. So what I need to do is select the object I want the Boolean to happen with. So I'm going to click on the eyedropper tool, and then I'm going to click on the sphere. And now what happens is that you don't see anything else right now. That is because the sphere is still there. So I'm going to just hide the sphere, and you can see that this is how it actually looks. It has cut through the cylinder. The sphere has cut through the cylinder, just like that, as you can see right here. So this is the sphere, as you can see. And then if I were to actually move this, you can see that the sphere is still there. And you can see that there's like a dynamic cut going on right here. If you want this to be applied, then you can go around over here onto the drop-down menu and simply click on apply. And now the Boolean has been successfully applied onto the cylinder. You can press tab, and you can see that the points and everything. Now this is a single object, just like that, as you can see. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here. So let me enable out the sphere right here, which is still there. So I'm going to press tab. So let me just bring this out. So I'm going to bring out onto the top, and let's keep it around over here. So now what else I can do is I can go around and select this. I can go around into modifier right here. And then I can go around over here and then click on Boolean. So once I do that, another option you have is union. So let me just go around over here, click this. And now what happens is that the two objects actually join together. So if I were to go around and press apply right here, just like this, the sphere is still there, but you can see that this has been applied. So you can go around and disable that out. And this is how it actually looks, as you can see. So that's the union right here. You can see that they become a single object right here, just like this. And another thing that you can do is intersect. So I'm just going to go around and keep the sphere somewhere around here. I'm going to go around over here, add in modifier, and then I'm going to go around and then add in Boolean again. So another option you have is intersect. So let's go to intersect. And if I were to go around into the object, select this out. Now what happens is that the intersection actually takes place. So if I were to go around, disable the sphere, this is what you have. You have the intersection portion with the sphere, just like that. You can go around over here and then apply this, and this is how it actually looks. You can press tab, and there you go. There is the intersection point right there. And that is how you can create different objects inside of Blender as well. And that is how you can work around with Boolean modifier inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.